What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like always, I'm your favorite Liberian boy Fizzle. In today's video, I am happy. Yes, I am happy. Now, the reason why I'm happy, for the longest time, right, the road leading to the Roberts International Airport has been dark. When I say dark, there is no light on the Roberts International Airport highway. Now, the airport is approximately an hour plus drive, depending on how you are driving to town. So everybody who comes into Liberia or comes to Liberia has to pass that highway, and most of the international flights arrive in the evening. So imagine arriving at the Roberts International Airport and you leave the airport that has lights and you get into a car. It could be a public car, it could be, you know, an airport pickup or whatsoever, and then you get on the Robertsfield Highway. Some people, like most of my international friends or expatriate friends, they're like, yo, when you first leave the airport and you get on the highway and you see how dark it is, you feel like you're being kidnapped. Do you understand? So today, the reason why I'm happy is that, you know, I saw lights on the highway. So I just want to show you guys what the highway looks like at night in Liberia now. Now, after the video, I'm still going to do a little bit of talking, you understand, so we can, you know, break down what we saw in the video. But I don't want to waste your time. Let's dive right into the video. We're going to start at the r.i.a roundabout, and then we might end it at the R2 community-ish, like, or Duazon area. I can't go really far because it's dark and stuff like that. But let's get right into the video. Let me show you what the Roberts International Airport highway looks like now. All right, guys, we are back, and I hope you enjoy the video. But before I go, let's talk more about, what you guys just watched. Now, looking at the footage that you guys just saw, right, you would think that it's the whole highway that is lit up and you have street lights or street light poles on each side going straight to the airport. But no, it's not the whole highway. There are some spaces in between. There are some places there that are still dark. But the thing is, at least, bro, like, there's hope that it might be done soon. Now, I came to Liberia for the very, very first time in 2005 before I could leave again and come back in 2018. And when I came back to Liberia, I didn't see no street light on the Roberts International Airport. So since 2005, now we are in 2026. That's how far it has been that I haven't seen lights on the Roberts International Airport highway. I mean, I don't like to get into politics, but whosoever that is doing this, big up to you. It's a very good initiative. We needed light on the highway. There have been so much accidents on the highway. People, in fact, drive with their high beams on, you understand, just so they can see clear and so that the car coming opposite them, lights don't blind them. Do you understand? So people been driving with their high beams on. I'm one of them because I can't see anything at night. But with the street lights though, it's a big game changer. It's a big game changer. And I hope they can complete the highway first of all. When they complete the highway, they complete the lights on the highway. That would be really, really great. That would be really, really great. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. But comment down in the comment section, let me know how you feel about lights being on the Roberts International Airport highway. With that being said, my name is Fizzle, your favorite Liberian boy. Until next time, peace, guys.